Hi guys, so today we're going to do yeah flat twist, but without adding extension. I'll be just using my client's natural hair, as in plain hair like that, without adding extension. So I'll be protecting the hairline by making a small cornrow here. For these cornrows to last for some weeks, I have to protect the hairline. Just have to make a small plain cornrow here where I'm parting now. I also did the other side like the same. So this one really helps when the hairline is very short or you don't want to leave the edges. Then that means if you do this, then it's okay. It helps for you not always to be brushing the edges and all that. But if you want to leave the edges, then there's no need for you to put this cornrows. Okay, so that is it. So I'll be doing like 3 of them this side. I have 3 on the other side as well. So, and then there we go. So we continue like that as we move. So we are going to part halfway and then we put the molding gel in between like that. And then on the sideways, depending the way you want it to be. But if you want to smoothen only the outer line, then it's okay still. But if you want it to come out more neater, then you have to do as I'm doing, okay? That way. So this parting, I'm going to use a thread. I'm going to use a weaving thread to part this one here. Guys. So I will start first parting the thinner one for the starting and leave it aside, and then the other one I will start folding it wrapping it with a weaving thread, which makes the work easier. So we have 3 methods you can use, and let me say 3 or 4. So here you put a braid first, like a thread like that, and then you have to wrap it. So that's how we are wrapping it. For the first one, you can wrap 3 or 4 times, until it's firm. And then from there, you start now parting again, like that. And then The second one, it's better if you just wrap it twice so that when you want to remove it, it's easier for you. Just wrap it twice, one and then two. Yeah, that way as you continue. So you can wrap like that until the end. So we go one again and then two. Yeah, the standing position also matters. Yeah guys, you can see, I think you're getting something there. Just wrap once, twice, and then yeah, you continue. So this method is going to be like this until the end. Yeah, if you want to add the size of the hair you're parting, you can still add it, yeah, according to the way you want it to be. Okay, so let's wrap this one again, which we do one and two, then everything is okay like that. Yeah. So guys, we are going to start like this now. Remember, we're not going to add any hair extension on her hair. So this is how we are going to start. Yeah, start just like doing the normal twist, 2-strand twist. Yeah, like that. So you have to wrap it as you twist like that. And then now you have to be picking the pre-parted strands like these ones as you add like that. Yeah, it's already parted, so it's separate. It's just you have to pick it, and then you twist onwards like that, pick it again like that, wrap it like that, and then twist that way. Yeah, that way, wrap it around, twist. Yeah, if you want them to be a bit loose, you just make them loose, so that they can be puffy. Yeah, so this is how we are doing it. You just wrap it, then you twist onwards. Yeah, it's not a must you feed in the small, I mean the curly hair. Yeah, it depends how you want or how your clients want. If they want that curly hair, then you can just put for them. Yeah, if they don't want, then you can just make them without it. So it's just wrapping and moving around like that, guys, which is very simple and very easy. Yeah, so like that. As for my client, I'm only doing four cornrows. Yeah, which is 4 lines. Yeah, and that's how it is. So guys, this one is also the same way we started the other one. Yeah, so it's just part it into 2 parts and then start twisting it like that. It's a simple method, by the way, for the learners to be able to do something. Yeah, so you just have to twist it that way. Go as you add. If you want them to be thick or you want it to have extension, you can still add extension. Yeah, and you can still pick the way I'm picking as you add extension, which is very okay also. Yeah, but it depends how you want, guys. Yeah, so it's just a simple way of making them to look neat. Okay, so for me, I love what I'm doing. I love what I'm doing. I love what I'm doing. Yeah, so guys, you can see everything is looking very beautiful, neat. Yeah, so why not try it and see how it is. If your client has a short hair, then you can still add extension. Okay, yeah, for you to achieve it neatly, just add extension and everything will be okay. So yeah, I hope you enjoy, I hope you learn something, I hope you achieve something. Yeah, don't give up, just try and try and try until it's finished. Yeah, and that's how life is. Now here at the back part, you can put either braid, make it to be a ponytail. You can put puffy hair, which is the afro hair, or you can leave them like that, or you can put some beads. It depends how you want it. So you don't have to complicate things. Yeah, or you can just put a band and then you move. Why not? Yeah, so my girl likes it that way, so I'll be putting a styling mousse. Styling mousse helps it to stay for long, as in it holds it to be firm. That's why I use styling mousse. And then if it's for the afro I'm making, it makes it to be softer. Yeah, so that I don't have to use water to make it to untangle. So guys, the work is done and everything looks so nice. Yeah, as you can see, everything looks pretty. Thank you guys. Please subscribe for me, follow me, put on that bell button so that next time you don't miss my videos. And thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate. Thank you. God bless you. Yeah, I know you love this. So until next time, I would like to say thank you so much and bye-bye.